Hello, amazing English learners. Welcome back to BBC English Online. I'm Tommy, and today I'm super excited to help you take one more strong step on your English learning journey. Let me start with a quick, relatable story. A few years ago, I met a learner named Sarah. She told me, "Tommy, I study English for hours sometimes, but then I stop for weeks. And when I start again, I feel like I'm back to zero." Does this sound familiar to you? If yes, don't worry. You're not alone. Most English learners struggle with the same problem, staying consistent. And without daily practice, English feels difficult, scary, and slow. But here's the good news. You don't need to study for hours. You don't need big grammar books, and you don't need expensive classes. You just need 10 minutes every day. Yes, just 10 minutes. In today's video, you're going to learn how to create a simple daily English practice routine, how to speak confidently without fear, the best tools and resources for beginners, and finally, how to make English a fun, natural part of your life. So, if you're ready to speak English faster, easier, and more confidently, let's begin. Section 1, Daily Practice Routine. How 10 minutes a day can change everything. Many learners think they need 1 hour or 2 hours a day, but research shows something different. Short daily practice is more powerful than long, irregular study. So let's create your simple 10-minute daily English routine. 2-minute practice. Warm-up speaking. Start by warming up your mouth and brain for English. Say simple sentences like, "I am ready to learn." "Today is a good day." "I can speak confidently." Why? Because your brain learns faster when you start with easy sentences. It's like stretching before exercise. 2-minute practice. Short listening practice. Now listen to something short, 1 or 2 minutes. You can listen to a short podcast, a YouTube clip, a mini story, an English learning app. Don't try to understand every word, just listen for the flow, rhythm, and tone. 2-minute practice, shadowing. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. This is the fastest way to improve pronunciation and confidence. Choose one short sentence from what you listen to and repeat it exactly. Copy the tone, copy the speed, copy the emotion. This improves fluency super fast. 2-minute practice. Daily mini speaking practice. Now speak for 1 minute about something simple. What you ate. How you feel. What happened today. What you will do later. You can talk to a mirror or record your voice. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is flow, not perfection. 2-minute practice, review and smile. End your practice by saying, "I did it. I'm improving every day. I'm proud of myself." This positive habit keeps you motivated. Tips to stay consistent. Here are some simple tricks. Tips 1. Choose the same time every day. Morning is best because your mind is fresh. Tips 2. Keep everything simple. Don't start with big goals. Small steps build big habits. Tips 3. Use a habit tracker. Tick off each day you practice. It feels good. Tips 4. Reward yourself every 7 days. A small treat keeps you motivated. Remember, 10 minutes is small, but every day becomes powerful. Just like a plant grows with a little water every day, Your English will grow with a little practice every day. Section 2. Building confidence. Confidence is a skill, not a personality trait. Most beginners don't struggle with English. They struggle with fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of speaking in front of others. Let me tell you something important. Confidence is something you build, not something you are born with. Here are powerful ways to build real speaking confidence. Technique 1. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself for 1 to 2 minutes. Why this works? You see your facial expressions. You look at your mouth shape. You connect visually with the language. Mirror speaking is used by actors and public speakers. It builds strong confidence. Technique 2. Record yourself. Take your phone, open voice recorder, speak for 1 minute, then listen. The first time, you may feel shy, but after 1 week, you will hear improvement in pronunciation speed. Clarity recording is like watching your progress grow slowly every day. Technique 3. The mistakes are okay. Mindset. Repeat this sentence. Mistakes mean I am learning. When a child learns to walk, they fall again and again, but no one laughs at them, because falling is part of learning. The same is true for English. Technique 4. Speak before you're ready. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for perfect vocabulary. Just speak. Talk to friends, talk to yourself, talk to your pet, talk to the mirror, talk to anyone. Speaking builds speaking. Thinking does not build speaking. Success story. Remember the learner I mentioned earlier, Sarah? At first, she was scared to speak. Even simple sentences felt impossible, but she followed one rule. Speak 1 minute every day. After 30 days, she spoke smoothly. After 60 days, she spoke confidently. After 90 days, she no longer felt afraid. Her grammar was not perfect. Her vocabulary was not big, but her confidence made her sound fluent. If Sarah can do it, you can too. Section 3. Resources and tools. Use the right tools. Learn 3x faster. Let's talk about some amazing tools that can help you improve faster. I'll share simple, beginner-friendly resources so you never feel confused. Apps. Here are the best apps for daily practice. Duolingo. Good for vocabulary and basic grammar. Cake app. Great for short speaking practice. Uses real-life videos. Elsa Speak. Helps you fix your pronunciation with AI. BBC Learning English. Perfect for short lessons and daily practice. Use these apps for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Websites. These websites are simple and powerful. Youglish.com. So, type any word. Hear how real people pronounce it. Breaking news English short articles with listening exercises. Elo.org. Thousands of free listening clips for beginners. Use websites for listening practice and pronunciation improvement. Books for beginners. You don't need big grammar books. Start with simple books like Penguin Readers, Oxford Bookworms. English short stories for beginners. Choose stories with pictures. They help your brain understand context easily. Listening resources. Here are the best easy listening choices. Slow English podcasts. BBC English online videos, short storytelling, YouTube channels, simple audiobooks. Listen for 5 minutes a day. Listening improves speaking, pronunciation, and confidence. How to use these tools effectively. Just having resources is not enough. You must use them smartly. Here's how. Don't use too many tools. Choose 2 and stick to them. Connect tools to your 10-minute routine. Example, 2 minutes listening. Podcast, 5 minutes shadowing. YouTube, 3 minutes speaking. Voice recorder. Use English tools in your free time. On the bus, while cooking, during a walk. Before sleeping, learn in your style. Everyone learns differently. Some learn by listening, some learn by speaking, some learn by reading. Try everything. Choose what feels easy and natural. Remember, the best resource is the one you use every day. Let's review what we learned today. You don't need big study plans, expensive teachers, or hours of grammar study. You only need one thing: small, consistent, daily practice. Here's your new routine: 10 minutes a day, a short listening practice, a bit of shadowing, a little speaking, and a lot of encouragement for yourself. You also learned how to build real confidence. Mirror speaking, recording yourself, accepting mistakes, speaking before you feel ready. And finally, you discovered many simple tools, apps, websites, and books that can help you grow faster. Now the question is, are you ready to start today? Not tomorrow? Not next week? Today. Remember, daily practice is small, but the results are big. If you practice every day for 30 days, you will speak more confidently. If you practice for 60 days, you will feel more fluent. And if you practice for 90 days, English will become a natural part of your life. I believe in you. You can do this. Your English journey is just beginning, and I am here to help you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your daily practice plan, subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you so much for watching BBC English Online. See you in the next video, and keep practicing every day.